This video is going to show you how to do a factory reset on a first generation Istv box. So what you're going to do is you want to go here on the home page, you want to click up Setup Internet Connection. There's a couple tabs in here. So this is where you normally set up your internet connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but I want you to scroll over to the right and I want you to click on the word Other. It's the orange tab here. And you're going to click on More Settings. You're going to scroll down to almost to the bottom of the page here. And you're going to see a thing that says here, Backup and Reset. When you click on Backup and Reset, it's going to come over here. The only thing you need to do now is go ahead and click on Factory Data Reset. And it's going to say this will erase everything. You want to click Reset your MMX box. I'm not going to do it right now because if I do it, you're not going to be able to, it's going to basically shut my connection off to the video recording here. But I want to walk you through what's going to happen. So after you reset your box, it's going to reboot, and when it comes up, it's going to ask you to connect to the internet. It's going to walk you through a few steps. Then you're going to be at this page. However, there's going to be no icons on this page. So this is really important to remember this. You're going to want to go up here next to the clock, and you're going to want to click on these 9 squares that look like a Rubik's Cube. Now, when you click on those 9 squares, you're going to see a bunch of application files. If you did not get a pop-up message when a box rebooted after the factory reset, you should get a pop-up message asking to allow Google. You want to click allow, but if for some reason you did not get the message, you're going to look at these applications. If you don't see any green guys here, that means you're going to need to unplug the box and plug it back in. And the next time it boots up, you should start seeing these green guys. You want to give this box about 10 minutes to completely install all the application files. Now, you're still not going to have any icons on your desktop, so this is an important step. Once these little green guys show up, you're going to want to go down here to where it says Copy Data. You want to launch Copy Data. It's going to bring up this application, and you're going to see a blue line going across your screen right here. And when the blue line is finished, you're going to see a message that comes up that says Reboot, Go, Go, Go. When you click this button, it's going to shut down your box, it's going to reboot it, and when your box boots back up, you're going to see all of the icons here. So the other thing too about that Copy Data application, for those of you who have ever messed up your icons, you've deleted icons, just go over there to the Rubik's Cube and click on Copy Data. It's going to go ahead, it's going to reboot your box, and all your icons are going to be right back to the original state when you first got your box. Hope this video helps. Take care.